Hello, let's go ahead and talk about the first problem in this form. You had to write the equation for this polynomial that you see graphed. I've got some key points kind of shown for you. And like we started on all of these, we start out with the idea that we're going to have some equation where we have this unknown multiplier, and then we've got to multiply that by any factors. So each of our roots, for instance, you have this root right here of -3, 0. So that means that x was -3 when we finished solving our factor set equal to 0. I'm kind of working backwards here. So if we get this set equal to 0, we'd have to add 3 to both sides. There's our factor. So this guy represents a root. This guy represents the factor, okay? So let's go ahead and write out our factors. We've got x plus 3. That has to do with our root of -3. We have a root of x equals -1. So that translates into a factor of x plus 1. So that's a factor that we're going to put in here. And then we have our final root is x equals 2, which will change to a factor of x minus 2. So I put that into my kind of setup as well. Now, the only thing I don't know is what my a value should be. So that's where our other point that we have that's given to us is going to play a role. So we have x is 0, we have y is 6. I'm going to plug those values into my equation that I just wrote. So I'll put in 6 for y equals, I still don't know what my a value is, so I'm going to leave it as a. And then everywhere I see x, I'm going to replace that with a 0. So x, 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 and then everything else remains the same. So 0 plus 3 plus 1 and minus 2. So then if I solve that equation, I'm going to have 6 equals a times 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 minus 2 is -2. So I have 6 equals a times -6, which, guys, that's really the same thing as saying -6 times a. And then what I get is -1 for a. So what I have to do at this point now is I have to go back and take this equation that I wrote originally and just replace that a value with what I just found. So my actual equation is going to become y equals -1, and then everything else we already had established for our equation. So this would be our equation.